Hey people, I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to work on a wood log. So, in order to make something beautiful and exotic out of a piece of wood, get the surface of the wood log clean and smooth. You can do it with the help of a carpenter or at home itself, but I'll suggest you to visit the carpenter. Now, as I'm working on commission basis, so I have to draw the lighthouse. You guys can draw whatever you intend to or love to. While painting on a wood log, we must be quick as the paint dries out pretty soon. So, in order to mix the colors on the wood, you need to be fast. Here I'm making a key holder, so I purchased 4 to 5 hook shaped screws and I even got 2 rectangular shaped foot logs on which I'm going to write welcome home. I'm using brushes of different shapes as in round and flat and of different sizes starting from 000, 00, to 4, 5 and 6. In my case, I mostly rely on flat brushes for mixing and round brushes for filling up the colors. The size of the flat brushes that I use are 4 and 5 and the size of round brushes that I use are 2, 3, 4, 5. In order to mix two colors, I mostly use dry flat brush as I mentioned earlier. The reason being because it makes the job quite easier and smooth. I took the inspiration of this lighthouse from Pinterest. You can do the same, or you can visit various Instagram pages, YouTube channels, and you can draw the inspiration out of your creativity itself. It all lies on you. Now, I wrote down welcome home on the rectangular wood logs and painted it with black color. I got this font from Google as my handwriting isn't that good. After completing the painting, I embedded the hook-shaped screws that I purchased from the market at the bottom end of the painting at equal distance. And I even pasted the rectangular wood logs at the top of the painting using Fevicryl. With this, we come to the end of the video. Never forget to put down your signature on the painting. Don't forget to like and comment on the video, and please subscribe to the channel to get more of such content. Take care and keep smiling. See you in the next video.